This is the tutorial for the Woods DDP Model 5. I'm going to start a new file by coming down here to New, select the drop-down arrow, select Part. I'm going to begin by drawing my overall stock size. So I'm going to start with a 2D sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to select Rectangle, start at the origin, so snap green. Move my cursor in the direction that I would like the rectangle to appear. The two dimensions I'm going to place are 6 in the horizontal, tab, 4, enter. Select my front view to bring my rectangle back into view. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude. This profile already selected. Distance A, I'm going to change to 4 inches. I will select OK. I'm going to come up here to my view cube and press the home button. I'm then going to select my Start 2D Sketch, and I'm going to cut away the material from the front view. So I'm going to select my front view. I'll place the view cube here to front so that it reorients myself. I'm going to select Rectangle, and I'm going to start this in the upper right corner, so I should get a green snap in the upper right corner of my object. I'm going to move my cursor down in the direction that I would like the rectangle. The size of this rectangle is 4 by 2. So I'm going to press 4, tab, 2, enter. I'm going to finish sketch. Extrude. This is going to be a cut extrusion. The distance A is going to be through all. I'm going to select OK. I'm going to come up here to the top and I'm going to select chamfer. I'm going to place 2 chamfers, one on this edge, one on this edge. They have given it to me as a distance and an angle. This first distance is 0.75. The angle is 45 degrees. So I'm going to select the top face and then the edge on which I would like the chamfer to be. I'm going to click apply because I would like to do a second chamfer. I'm going to select the face on the top again. And this time I'm going to select the opposite edge and then click OK. Next, I'm going to start a 2D sketch on the right side view. I'm going to select my right side view on the view cube so that I can reorient myself. I'm going to select rectangle. This rectangle I want to be on the base of my part. I do not want to snap to the left corner or the right corner. So I'm going to make sure that my Y reading is 0. And I'm going to select on this bottom base. And I'm going to place up in the direction that I would like the rectangle to be. The size of this rectangle is 2 in the horizontal, tab 1 in the vertical. I'm then going to select dimension. And I'm going to dimension this shoulder. So to do that, I want to come over here and I want to make sure that I do not select this green dot. I want to select the left side of the rectangle that I just made. And then I want to come over here and select the left side of my part. And then I'm going to move my mouse over to the left, select again so that I can activate the dimension. And this distance is going to be 1. Select the check mark. Then I'm going to go to finish sketch. Extrude. This is going to be a cut extrusion, and the distance is going to be through all. And then I'm going to select OK. Lastly, we're going to place a hole on the top face. So I'm going to start a sketch on the top face. I'm going to select top on my view cube to reorient myself. To place a hole, what I would like to do is I would like to use the point tool. And then I would like to just place the point somewhere on this face where it is not constrained to any of these other lines that are appearing. I don't want this dotted line. I don't want this solid line. I just want to place it without any constraints. I'm then going to use my dimension and I'm going to locate it first horizontally and then second vertically. So to do that, dimension, select the point that I just placed. Then I'm going to select the right side of my part. Move my mouse over to the right so that I can activate, select, and I'm going to change this dimension to 2. Check mark. Now I'm going to dimension it vertically. So I'm going to select my point again, select the base of my part. I'm going to move over here so I can activate the dimension, select, and I'm going to change this dimension to 2. Check mark. I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to use the hole command. So I'm going to come up here and select hole. This hole has a 1.5 diameter through. So in the hole, I need to make sure that this is a simple hole. There is no seat, so this is none. The termination is going to be through all. And the distance of the diameter of my hole is down here, and I'm going to select and change this dimension to 1.5 and then select OK. And that is the completion of Model 5.